Hi. So this is just some information that you're going to need to do celebration one, right? So first off, you're allowed a calculator for your celebration. Preferably that will be a graphing calculator, but if you don't have one, that will be okay, granted that you learn how to use the StatCrunch thing, which I'll show you later. You're allowed a standard piece of paper, right? That's 8.5 by 11 inches, right? Your standard letter size piece of paper with notes that you want to write on one half of it, right? On the front side of it. You will be allowed 3 hours. That should be more than enough time. I finished this in less than an hour, in about 45 minutes. So 3 hours should be enough for you. And it has to be done in one sitting, right? So try to stay in the frame as much as possible. If you absolutely have to use the bathroom during the celebration, I guess that would be okay, but please try to stay in the frame. Try not to have other people in your area, or if you do, try not to look at them, right? And keep your area quiet, because I'll be able to see all that. I want to make sure if you're talking to other people or stuff, I have to look into that, right? Now, the big idea here is you got to keep your station clear, right? So you're going to have a station where you have your some place for you to work, right? Like a blank piece of paper or a couple blank pieces of paper. You will have your note sheet and you'll have your calculator. Your phone shouldn't be there. You could have a glass of water, your pen, etc. Right? You can use StatCrunch, which I will show you how to work. When you are doing work, that is how you might be assigned partial credit. So let me show you. So you want to write like the problem number down, right? And show your work, right? And that's how I might assign partial credit. Once you finish your celebration, I want you to upload your note sheet and any work to the Canvas work assignment within 20 minutes, right? And I saw you guys on the proctoring celebration. Your environment videos didn't show as much as I wanted, right? So imagine what you would want for an environment video. You would want everyone to know that you're not cheating. So I would want to see like a 360, right? That there are no items that are off camera when the camera's facing you, right? To see that, right? So you want to show the entire area and you want to show that there's just the correct items on your workstation. And finally, the password to do the celebration is celebration123 exclamation point. Okay, so let me show you. If you don't have your calculator or you just don't feel like using it, you can use StatCrunch. So suppose you have a problem like this one right here, right? Notice there's a little icon here. You can click on that. You can open it in StatCrunch. You have these other options here, but you obviously won't have those when you're taking your celebration, right? Because it's going to have the lockdown. So you open it in StatCrunch. You have these numbers here. So there's kind of two things you might want to do. So one thing you can do is hit data, and you can sort it. You're going to want to just select columns, click the column, click it again, and then you can do sort by ascending, replace new column. Select var1, compute. Now it's in numerical order. That'll be easier for your like problems that involve histograms, so you can do classes and stuff. Okay, another thing you can do is go to the data menu. Sorry, I mean the stat menu, right? And you go down to summary statistics, columns. Select the columns, and you can either select all the statistics or some of them, right? So you can select all of these. And then we can select all these here and compute. They're all there. You'll be using maybe the mode the median, the variance, and the standard deviation, right? And you might use any of these other ones. Don't ignore some of these other skewness, things like that. But that's how you use that. So hopefully that's all clear. And yeah, so just remember, calculator, note sheet, scratch paper, follow all these things, right? And I'm going to show you how to make a better environment video because I want to make sure that your environment video shows me that you're absolutely not cheating. So we have no thing to do with that. Another thing is you have to do it in one sitting. If there's something interrupted, please, you will be locked out until I let you back in. So you will have to email me if, say, you're taking your celebration and your laptop dies. So that's that, and it will be due on the end of the day, Thursday. Thank you. And in a second here, you will see the environment video. Bye. Hi. So this is for me to show you kind of what I'm expecting for your environment video. So basically imagine you want to show that you're in an area where like there's no posters on the wall that have, I don't know, the answers to the celebration or something somehow, and that there's nothing within your reach that's like your cell phone or whatever. So if you have a cell phone, put that somewhere out of the room, right? Or have it completely off so it doesn't ring. Also, if you have a smartwatch, get rid of that, right? So let me show you what I'm expecting from that video. So first, you're going to want to kind of turn your camera around and show me that, hey, look, this is the room that I'm in. There's nothing weird in this room that could be used for cheating, right? Then you're going to want to show your station, right? So you can see, hey, here's my note sheet here, and then here is the sheet that I'm going to write my answers on or do any work that I need to do or whatever, right? Have those papers torn out of a notebook if you're going to use them. Here's my calculator, right? My station's actually not good because I have all this extra stuff here that I could grab. I should put that away, right? So you do the whole turn, right? You do the big turn, right? So just turn around the whole room, show that there's nothing bad in the room, then show the surface that you're going to be working on, okay? So that's kind of what I'm expecting for the proof of environment video. Okay, bye.